Hello, I'm at 590 Madison Avenue in New York City today. I wanted to talk a bit about, in the next few episodes, about allocation processes. Let's talk first about what is allocation. Allocation processes is taking and assigning cost and making association between different parts of a business, measuring different things about a business, different things that we've measured and connecting those measurements. For example, if we were to think about the cost of a factory, that would be one thing that we measure and accumulate business events that accumulate and add up the cost of the total factory. Another kind of metric that we would measure would be the number of units that the factory produces, whether it's actually produced them or whether it will produce them in the future, or estimated number of how many units could be produced by the factory. To raise the question of, well, how much of the cost of building the building can be assigned, is attributable to each one of those things that we have made. Now that's a simple process there of taking the total cost of it divided by the number of units that we estimate coming from the factory. That process, though, is a simple explanation of allocation. The allocation processes are necessary in business because quite often the way we accumulate cost is not attributable, not directly associated with the things that we want to measure and assign those costs to. We have to do that association in some way in the process of doing our analytical metric engine analysis. That process of taking those costs and assigning them, there's usually rules, business rules involved in that processing. There's also implications, technology implications for how the data is accumulated, stored, processed, how it gets exploded at a certain time. We'll go through all of those kinds of things, I think, in these next few episodes as we talk about metric engine allocation processes.